the day I met her, that was going in my mind that I'm gonna marry her. So I never knew this day will come so soon. But I was very excited for this day, and I always thought it should be the best part of my life that I'm getting
Surreal to see myself here dressed up in this and him walking all in formals, and then we exchange the rings. Never thought of this day. One thing that really inspires me is he's too patient with me. I'm like this, just I have to get things done here and there. Maybe there are two things that I leave in between.
which I don't like, but still I am happy. Like I am with her, and we will enjoy this journey together.
आज बच्चों की एंगेजमेंट है और बहुत बड़ी खुशी का दिन है, जिसका काफ़ी दिनों से मुझे इंतज़ार था। और भगवान करे इतनी खुशियाँ मिले, संसार की सब खुशियाँ इनकी झोली में भर। ये मेरी बहू नहीं, मेरी बेटी बन के आई और बेटी की तरह ही रहेगी।
Finally, we did it.
I love you.
They are made for each other. Loads and loads of blessings for them. Love you both, Vipul and Ujjwal.
उज्जवल को देख के मुझे एक बात याद आती है, देयर इज सम न्यू सीरियल गोइंग ऑन दैट इज छोटी सी पिंकी लंबी प्रेम कहानी। उज्जवल को देख के वही आता है, छोटी सी उज्जवल की लंबी विपुल जैसी प्रेम कहानी। दैट्स ऑल, वी ऑल आर रियली वेरी हैप्पी टुडे।
Mamu and Mami, we love you a lot, and you both look so pretty. Like, I seriously can't believe you both are getting married. You know, our parents, they used to just say us that ये मामू की शादी में ले दूंगा. We thought that Mamu will never get married, just like Popatlal. Yes.
And for your future, God bless you both of you. Love you both of you, and very happy journey in your life. God bless you always. God bless you.
Okay guys, I'm happy for both of you. Thank God because of you met, because of me. Yes.
I'm really happy to have Ujjwal as his life partner. She is really, really, really beautiful, awesome as a person, and my good wishes, my blessings for both of them. May Guruji bless them both.
Finally, the day is here. We've been waiting for this day from like a long time, and I just cannot contain my happiness right now because these two are my favorite couple. I love you both, and I wish you guys a very happy married life. ऐसे ही लड़ते झगड़ते रहो. Bire, I love you. मेजर साहब संभालो इसको, and just keep rocking you guys, and I love you.
nothing like that. It was a random function where we met, and in that I noticed her. She also noticed me. Somewhere for her help, I was there. She needed some help in something, so I was there standing by her and for helping her. So after that thing, we started talking, and when we started talking, chatting, it goes and goes on. I didn't remember exactly but when I met her after like a month of chatting and talking, I met her there, and that time I realized she is the one for me. So that is the time I thought in my mind that I am gonna marry her.
मेरा छोटा भाई है and he is 9 years 9 I think 89 born मैं भूल जाता हूँ मैंने 9 साल छोटा 89 का born है and उसको मैंने गोदी में खिलाया हुआ है 9 years का बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस होता है बट आज उसकी शादी हो रही है तो ऐसा लग रहा है वो बड़ा हो गया रियली फील आ रही है बड़ा हो गया बट इट्स गुड कांग्रेट्स टू विपुल अच्छा है and lot of blessing from Guruji and from the entire family.
स्टार्टिंग से
दोबारा से
हाँ जी
हमारे बच्चे उज्जवल विपुल उज्जवल अवनीत शालिनी रवि गुप्ता ये सौरभ सोनिया ये देश सेवा करें मेरा सबसे बड़ा लक्ष्य ये है कि देश की सेवा करें परिवार की सेवा तो हर एक को करता है लेकिन देश की सेवा बहुत कम लोग करते हैं तो मेरे बच्चे देश की सेवा ज़्यादा करें ये मेरा उनको आशीर्वाद है
विपुल एंड उज्जवल दोनों को सौरभ एंड सोनिया अभिनीत एंड शालिनी रवि एंड मुक्ता सब बच्चों को मेरा बहुत बहुत आशीर्वाद इतना आशीर्वाद कि दिन दूनी रात चौगनी तरक्की करें और परमात्मा करे इनकी झोली सदा खुशियों से सुखों से भरी रहे।
Congratulations, Vipul and Ujjwal, on starting a new phase in your married life. Sorry, it's going to be a married life henceforth. And all the best. Just enjoy your life. That's the most important part. Keep it simple. And trust everything will fall, please. Anything from your side now?
Loads and loads and loads of love and blessings to my dear Vipul and Ujjwal.
So initially when we met and I wanted to propose her, I just said normally like while talking it was clear and I just said I like you and I would like to marry you. But official proposal I must say after getting into a relationship, I took her to Russia and there on the cruise I was on my knees and I proposed her there on the cruise and it was a good memory for me and for her as well. sometimes spousing, sometimes monkey, sometimes Pooh. Then I started calling her Pooh. So there was like Pooh and Boo are getting married today. So these all there was pet names for GLE.
Is my cousin brother, the last one to get married, the youngest of all. Brave man, joined armed forces. I think apart from him, I'm the only one who has joined armed forces earlier. I am retired as Air Marshal and he's the one who has joined recently and is becoming Major. My best wishes to both of them and all the best.
First of all, lots of love and blessings from my side to Ujjwal and Vipul. He's very good at heart and sometimes he became very irritating also.
So a proposal, it never actually on papers or through words, there was nothing like that. But there was this time and we were just holding hands and I just knew this is it. I have to marry you. So it was mutually decided. We were never dating, we were always ready to get married.
Congratulations, people.
Love you.